Mark, I've had the guided tour, but perhaps for the viewers at home, you can tell me a bit more about MHP.
Yeah, MHP was established in 1972, primarily as pattern makers, soon moving into tool making, followed by plastic moulding and plastic trimming, basically.
And is that what you do today?
Yeah, primarily we've grown somewhat over the years, from initially of 2 or 3 people. We've currently got staff of 28. We've got 5 CNC machining facilities on the 3-axis machining and 2 5-axis CNCs for trimming of plastics.
And I understand you've recently invested in Tebis software.
That's right, we invested in Tebis software. Primarily we found our old software was not very efficient, it was very time consuming, and we weren't trimming parts to the accuracy we really needed to. So we invested in Tebis. We looked around all over the place at different companies and found Tebis to be probably the most up-to-date, most efficient, and so that's the way we went.
And can you quantify the savings?
Well, it's difficult to say, but certainly at least 20 to 25% savings on time on trimming we've achieved over the last 3 months we've been using it.
And how about the programming? Is it straightforward?
Well, that's one of the reasons we chose Tebis. Looking around, it seemed to be one of the simplest systems to learn how to use. Obviously, we had some idea of 5-axis trimming before because we had a previous system, but it was not up to the standard of Tebis. And yeah, primarily Tebis has been very good and quite easy to learn.
And we're stood next to 2 Haas machining centres. Are those powered by Tebis?
They're not currently powered by Tebis at the moment, but we are looking to change the software we use to use it on these machines to Tebis.
And when we buy software, that's only half of the deal, isn't it? How about the training and how about the support from Tebis?
Yeah, that's absolutely right. The training is very important with the 5-axis software. It's not a simple thing to use, but one of our apprentices has been trained on the 5-axis. He's taken to it very well. In fact, you're quite welcome to have a chat with him later and see how he gets on.
Ed, I know MHP, they're new to Tebis software. How are you finding it?
Really good, much quicker than our old software, and it's got a great user interface, and the anti-collision simulation as well is very useful.
Okay, did it take long to pick up?
No, not at all. We spent a small bit of time up with the guys at Tebis themselves, but as soon as we came back, we were able to start using it and get underway immediately.
And what are the features you like?
Particularly, as I said, the simulation and how you can check for collisions, even between sections of the toolpath, is very good.
So in conclusion, happy with Tebis?
Yes, definitely. Tebis have been a great partner in what we've done so far and hoping to be doing a lot more with them in the future.
And in terms of MHP, where's the company going?
Well, we're growing quite rapidly at the moment. We're gaining several blue chip companies every year and looking to expand on the trimming with Tebis and also on the 3-axis machining on the tool making side. So yeah, all very good at the moment.